Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the channel. So before we get into this video, I wanted to announce an awesome giveaway. You guys are gonna love it. You know, it's not just a light bar or anything like that. First things, I want to show you these new hats. Dirty Max Mafia hats. There's only like 2 gray ones left. There's 3 or 4 red ones, and we got brand new ones coming in here shortly. I'll show them to you once they arrive. You guys may not know, but I want to kind of go over it real quick again. Ryan's Diesel Service, myself, and Truckmaster are going to be doing a truck show June 22nd. It's going to start at 9 a.m. and it's in North Prairie, Wisconsin. All the details will be in the link below. And if you are interested in going, let me know in the comments. And also make sure you click the link on Facebook. If you can go, let us know on Facebook. And that way we can get a good head count who's going to be there. We don't want to be underprepared. There's going to be a dyno there. We're going to be doing highest horsepower Ford, Dodge, GM, and then we're going to do highest horsepower overall. So it's going to be awesome. It's going to be a lot of fun. A lot of vendors are going to be there. And so far there's going to be like 700-800 people that are going. So let us know. Let me know in the comments, and make sure if you are 100% going to go to that Facebook link and let us know. So let's get on with the video. We're starting with a giveaway. So check this out. So KC Turbos was nice enough to send us this, guys, for this giveaway. So they sponsor this giveaway 100%. So make sure you tell those guys thank you. No, I'm just kidding. They sent us a 360 rebuild kit for an LBZ turbo. And they also sent us a balanced turbine wheel right here for the LBZ. And it is super nice. Increased boost, it's gonna have that real loud whistle. And this is how you're gonna enter. Make sure you have an LOI or LBZ, okay? They told me if someone wins and they have an LOI, that they're gonna send out the LOI version of this, okay? And I thought that was a good idea, so that way we're not singling out one crowd. So here's how to enter. You got to make sure you do every one of these things. A lot of you guys are probably already following my social media, but if you're not, make sure you're following me on Instagram, D_Bertrand850. Of course, be subscribed to this channel. Make sure you follow me on Facebook. Also, make sure you're following KC Turbos on Instagram. That's the most important part, guys. They're the ones sponsoring this giveaway. So make sure you guys go give them a follow. Also, give this video a like. So you got to do all that stuff, but that's super easy. It's free, and you can win like $300 or $400 worth of stuff right here. I mean, this ain't cheap. So that's how to enter. Now let's get on with the video. All right, guys. So we're in the Duramax. Now, I know about 2 videos ago I said the side axle is gonna stay. It sounds amazing. You know, it sounds way better than axle dump. I'm kind of at the point where I completely regret saying that. Not to say that the side exit sounds horrible or anything like that. It still sounds amazing, especially outside the truck. My problem is the inside of the truck. So I didn't realize how much quieter it would be with the side exit. Like, it's unbelievable how much quieter it is in this truck with the side exit exhaust. Like, when I get on it, I'm expecting like the same rumble and like the echoing of, you know, the turbo and all that. And to me, I think it's cut it down like 70%, which is super weird, and I didn't think it would be that significant. So with that being said, I completely changed my mind on the side exit. I think it looks amazing. You know, it really does look cool. But I think I'm gonna go back to the axle dump on the Duramax. The Cummins is a different story. The Cummins is just as loud or louder with the side exit. I think it sounds way better in the cab and outside. So Cummins is gonna stay. Of course, I'm gonna put a new tip on the Cummins. And the Duramax, I think I'm gonna go back to axle dump. Got that new turbo going in probably end of this, maybe the end of this week, maybe early next week. It depends on when the Y bridge from SDP gets here. I got confirmation that it shipped out with the up pipes and the intake runners and hot side. So I want to be able to hear the whole exhaust. You know, I feel like the side exit's cutting it out while I'm driving. So we're gonna go back, see if I like it. I know I'm gonna like it because I didn't not like it before. So that's what we're doing, guys. Here's what it sounds like now. Yeah, like you can't even hear the turbo, really. I mean, you kind of can, but yeah, I won't say it's quiet, but it's definitely a lot quieter in the cab, and not for me. So all right, guys, so axle dump is back on right there. But here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna use one of these. You guys may have seen on JW's video. He used a white Duramax Mafia decal on his axle dump. I'm gonna use this black chrome. It looks like black right now, but once it's off this transfer paper on that tip, I'll show you. So I'm gonna clean off the tip a little bit, that's what she said, and then I'm gonna apply this and we'll see how it looks. So if you guys want one of these, this is Duramax Mafia, black chrome, we got red, we got white, and we're about to add a few more colors. So if you want one, link is in the description. So, but JW did it, I think, this way, right? Yeah, he did it this way. I'm gonna actually do it this way. That way you can kind of see it from this angle. We'll see how it looks. Hopefully it looks good. What I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually get a new tip, because I don't want to actually apply this onto this thing, and it's kind of got like a texture to it, so I don't even think it's gonna stick right. So I'm just gonna order another tip, and I'm probably gonna give this one away. So be on the lookout for this giveaway. All right, so I got on the window, well, a little dirty, I need to wipe it off, but super easy to apply. Like I said, guys, I didn't want to put it on the tip because I don't think it was gonna stick, because all the texture on it, the raised texture, so I wasn't gonna be able to actually seal and stick properly. So I just put it right here. I don't know if I like how I put it though, but it follows the line of this right here, which is fine, I guess. But from far away, it looks kind of like tilted, but it'll work. So I think eventually I might just take this one off and put it right there on the back glass. But for now, it's gonna be fine. And a lot of people thought this is like a, when they see it in pictures, they think it's actually like a gloss black. Now behind this transfer paper right here, it does look like a gloss black or a black, but it's actually black chrome. And you can see on the video here, when the sun hits it, when it's outside, it's got like a chrome look to it. And when it's a little darker, it actually looks black. So it's actually a really cool color. And you know, I think it looks amazing. I'm gonna be redoing all my, you know, Instagram and YouTube logos. I'm gonna be redoing those in black chrome as well. If you guys want that done, hit me up on Instagram, and I can definitely get you those. So right now, I'm about to go start up the truck, and I'm gonna show you what it sounds like inside the cab. All right, guys, we are clearly back in the truck. As you've seen, I got the new Duramax Mafia decal on. Like I said, I don't know if I'm gonna keep it right there, because to me, it looks like it's tilted, even though it's not, because the windows kind of do a weird angle. But don't matter, that's not the point of this video, guys. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna see how this thing sounds in the cab like we did before. Okay, so well, I mean, I can already hear it right now. Like the rumble is a little louder. Yeah, I can just, it already sounds better to me. Oh, yeah, I mean, it's so much better. Like, it sounds so much better. I wish I would have took the thing for a drive when I first did it, just to kind of compare it then, but, you know, not a big deal. I do know better now. I do. The axle dump is definitely staying, so. Got security's here. All right, so funny story. You're about to see a security truck go by. Right there. All right, guys, so back in the house now. I showed you that security truck. I want to get into that in the next video. It's kind of been real frustrating around here, so I'll get into more detail in the next video on that one. But before I end this video, I want to make sure you guys get entered for this giveaway. It's an awesome giveaway. Thanks again to KC Turbos for sponsoring this giveaway. This is not a cheap giveaway by any means, so, and it's free to enter. Yeah, it comes with the LBZ wheel right here. It's a balanced wheel. And then of course the rebuild kit like I just showed you. And it's as easy as following them on Instagram, following me on my social media. So we got Instagram, D_Bertrand850. Here on YouTube, make sure you're subscribed. Follow me on Facebook, and then make sure you like this video. You have to like this video. You actually got to do all that, but make sure you like this video, even if you don't want to get entered. So yeah, that's gonna do it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you guys are thinking about going from axle dump to side exit, just know that it's gonna be quieter in the cab. If you don't mind that, then do it. If you're thinking about going from side exit to axle dump, just know it's gonna be a little bit louder in the cab. but to me, it's not like an annoying loud. I think it sounds much better. So I completely changed my mind, guys. That's gonna do it. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. If you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. Make sure you give this video a like, please. And yeah, we will see you next time.